Hi everyone, you're getting a bonus video today. The bonus is I made these two tags from scrap for my last video, and I didn't want to put what I had left of the scraps back in my scrap bin. It just wasn't enough and I didn't want to do it. So I made 3 cards. This is the first one I made. I brought out one more of the orange doilies. I still have, I think that might be the last orange, or maybe I have one more. Anyway, this was a fairly large scrap, so was this. I tore them with a ruler, which I don't know what I did with right at the moment. This is a sticker out of the Dollar Tree sticker pack I'm trying to finish. Let me show it to you. This one, it was a jot, not crafter square. I'm down to 3 because I used 2 in these cards. And this is actually stamped, and that's from Stampin' Up's Blessings of Home. Sadly, that's the only stamp I've ever used out of that, and I had used it before because it was the only one on its backing. So I'll be using this at some point. Beautiful flowers, and I think I have paper to go with it. I stamped in Pretty Peacock color, and this was just on a scrap of thick white, like I do stuff like this, but I stamped it and it was already that size, and I just rounded the corners with my corner rounder. And here's more of that chiffon ribbon coming in, and these two are bumped up on dimensionals or dots or whatever, and the bling I used was these retired, I'm pretty sure, genial gems, and the color, I think is mint macaron, which is also now retired. But I thought it went all right with the color in the background. It might even be that color, I don't know. So I used 3 of those on that. This one, I used what was left from here, and I think this was already torn like that. And then this was a large piece of this that I had left. The very end of the doily from here, so I had a piece up here, I put a piece down here, and this actually is just glued right on along the edge underneath. Another Dollar Tree sticker. This time, and that one I glued down. This time on this, I used a retired rectangular postage stamp from Stampin' Up. I did edge this and the whole thing, I think, in Calypso Coral. And this time for the sparklies, I used this color, which actually I think is petal pink. But you know what? It goes all right. This is one of the Dollar Tree butterflies, Jot brand also. And I colored it with Lost Lagoon Light and Calypso Coral Light. And then I put a little bit of, I think it was Diamond Stickles. I don't know what I just did with it. I thought it was right here. Yep, fell out of my bin. Forgive the reach. This Diamond Stickles. It's getting low, so I actually have it in where my chamois usually is. And that's it on the inside. I did that, and let's see what I did on the inside. The inside of this one, I did that. This was, I think this was already cut. I'm not, no, I might have cut this one after and did put Calypso Coral. I didn't put any sentiments on the inside. And I think these will be going to some friends. And then this one, I had a big piece of this paper. This was that one I said I'm not even sure it's out of the same paper pack, but I stuck it under there. I kind of wish I had cut it because now I'm kind of wanting it for something else and I don't have it. Actually, I have this much of it. These birds were right, these cranes were right along the edge of this scrap of paper. So I got out Stampin' Up's retired ovals framelits, and I used the second to the largest oval, I think it was, for this. And then there's scalloped ones in here, and it was the largest scalloped one. And I just used a scrap of black cardstock, which I'll probably cut a strip off of here, and then I can throw that part out. Anyway, and then this ribbon, it might be retired now too. It carried over a couple times. It's, what is it called? Shimmer ribbon in gold. I really like this one. Now they have another one called Shimmer Ribbon, but it's not the same. This one's like a satiny, smooth ribbon, and I really like it. So when that's gone, it'll be gone. But yeah, that's my card there. And I didn't put any sentiment on this one. I just put the rest of the clouds on there because I don't know what I'm going to use it for. Um, it could be a thank you card. It could be a um, congratulations, let your wings be your, I don't know what I'm saying. Let your dreams be your wings. I don't know. Whatever I said on one of my other things I did. So anyway, that one I didn't finish the inside. So those are my three cards. And I have a nice little pile of scraps, and I'm working on one more small project. You won't see that today. Oh, these are Paper Studio. I forgot to mention them. And I actually glued them off the paper, and then I remembered, oh, this is a card. It's not like a ATC or something. I shouldn't have done that, and I tried to get this one up again, and it almost tore the paper. So I said, oh, nope, not worth it. Stuck it back down. They're on with glue dots, which are pretty strong. So yeah, I just made some quick cards with scrap papers, and I think they came out pretty good. Let me know what you think. And come back again tomorrow. You just might see what I do with the rest of the scraps. Tinier scraps. Hugs, love, and peace. Talk to you soon.